Next annotation we want to discuss is text. Now text is very common in AutoCAD. You can insert text using two commands. One is the single line text and one is the multi-line text. Now mostly we follow the multi-line text. Shortcut is MT enter. Okay, MT enter multi-line text and make a dialog box like we do in any normal softwares like Excel, PowerPoint, and you will get a text box. And if you type anything, you can go with the first option. The problem with text is by default it will be very small. Okay, so again, like dimensions, there is a text style. Okay, so you can decide what text style you want first and then get into the multi-line text. Okay, so here we are going to talk about text style. Now text style is again shortcut is TXT text ST text style. Okay, sometimes a dialog box will not open with the command line. Either you can go with that option or you can directly go with the annotate bar and go to manage text styles. Okay, so default there will be two options, standard and annotative. You can edit standard also if you want, but what I am going to do here is I am creating a new text style. So let us say AutoCAD text. Okay, this is the what text style I want for this file. Okay, you can go with the different fonts, like let us say I'm going with Times New Roman standard. What kind of styles you want? I want regular or I want always bold. You can check preview in the box. Okay, you can also give the height, default height. Let us say I want it to be 5, so it will be always 5 at the start. Okay, you can do the backwards, reverse option, upside down if you want. Width factor we can change. Width factor is basically a distance between two text, or a total width will be adjusted. So if I make 5, it will be too large. 1.2, it will be more larger. 1 will be smaller. 0.5 will be compressed text. Okay, so default it is 1. That can be used. Oblique angle is angle with the text. So if I say 20 degree, that angle text will be tilted with 20 degree. Okay, that can be done. Okay, so this is the text style I want. Let us say Times New Roman, bold and height 5, and say apply. Set current. Don't forget to enter on set current and then say apply. Close. Oblique angle I don't want, it is 0. Okay, now if I say empty enter, I can directly go with the text style what I want. If I select that option, text style is now AutoCAD text which we have created. Okay, so you can use that option. That is style option which we have discussed. So first you have to make a text style and then you can go into multi-line text. So in next video we will be talking about multi-line text.